Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got a 14th century Quillon Dagger. And it is a lovely piece. It's actually one of our best sellers. But you've got double-sided diamond section blade here, nice fine point on it, but it stays strong. So it doesn't go super thin. I mean, it has got distal taper, but it's not massive until the end here. That sort of profiling on blades and dagger blades is very typical. And then you have a guard here again. Nothing here is super bulky. It's not super big. It's not overblown. It's not modern reproduction. It is a good reproduction of what you see in the museums. And dainty is not the right word, but they're not overbuilt. And so you have a guard here that's, you know, substantial enough, nicely turned down, nice bit of detail, and a wheel pommel that again is not parallel up here, as so often they aren't, so it tapers in a little bit. And it's those little details, along with things like the cord-bound grip and the risers, that really make this thing look like the museum examples. It is not just a horrible modern reproduction. This is a really well-considered, well-designed, typical piece from the 14th century, and it is lovely. So it would suit knights, it would suit soldiers, professional mercenaries, that sort of thing. So not a civilian dagger, very much a military dagger, and very much a dagger for doing a job. And there you have it. The 14th century Quillon Dagger.